Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can grow your 10 USDT to 100 within just a week. So we're going to make use of this simple strategy, of which if you follow it carefully, you're going to make a huge profit for yourself. But you must be what? You must be vigilant. Okay? So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel. Like my videos and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so the first you need to do, we're going to use coin market cap for this. So have your coin market cap closely. Okay, have your coin market cap closely, and let's dive into this. So here we are. One thing you must do first is to look for a cryptocurrency coin with a low market cap. That's just what you need to do here. If you look for this coin that has a low market cap, then we'll see what we can do further. All right, so let's start checking. Now this one is showing the top 10, okay, top 200, looking to all coins. Okay, so we're going to put, let's say, all coins. So looking at the all coins, we'll start checking. We'll start checking for a coin with a low market cap, because if you look at this Tron, you can see this Tron. This Tron has a very high market cap. I made a video the other time about this Tron, and actually is doing well like right now. If you look at its market cap here, its market cap is very high, over 21 billion. Okay, so we are not looking for this. We are looking for the coin with a very low market cap, or a low market cap, not very. So let's roll down. HBA, LTC, okay. Okay, you can look for something of this very nature. We have for TUSD, we have RON, we have AR, we have virtual. So let's still keep checking for the ones that have a very low market cap. We can see here we have a layer. Let me see. You can see here we have a layer here. It has a low market cap, but it's over 298 million. CTC also, same thing. KSM, okay. You can see this one also, but still, let's keep checking. We'll see something that is lower than this, I think. All right. Okay, let's see this. What is it called? Artier. Let's see it market cap. Its market cap is still over 271. Its maximum supply 42 billion. Total supply 42 billion. Okay, I'm still looking for more, not this. I have the CSC, SC. Okay, SC. So I'm going to look at this SC. You can see here SC. So let's look at it. So this is what this SC is serving. SC is known as a SIA coin, and it's currently trading at 0.003489 currently. Okay, you can see this. This is what is trading. This is price in the market. It's currently having a negative of 0.25%. It has been flexible, going up, onward, and down. So let's roll down to see its market cap. You can see it's high and low for the past 24 hours. This to show that this coin will be what? Will be doing well in the nearest time. Its high and low was 0.003428. You can see that. All right. So let's quickly look at the market cap and see the community sentiment as well. So you can see the market cap here is over 195 million. That is current market cap. You can see here it's over 195 million. The total high was here, the total low was here, and the total high was here. It's here, sorry. So the next thing you just need to do is to look at it carefully. Where can you see this coin to buy? Okay, where can you see this coin to buy? You can see this coin, or you can buy this coin on Binance. Here, you can see here. You can buy this coin on Binance, and it's currently at what? This 0.34%. Okay, so now we're going to look at people that are holding this coin. You can see the unlocked was over 56 billion SC, and the logged is over what? 31 billion. You can see it here, the SC. Reach about February this year. You can go down there to like make your further research in order for you to what? To make sure you're buying the right coin, and also to make sure you're buying a coin that will definitely profit you. And one thing is that you will get this coin on where? You will get this coin on Binance. That's where you get this coin. You get this coin on Binance, and currently is damn bullish. It's doing well, and it will also be doing well. So I'll come back to make another video about this if this coin really move to our directions. All right. So now, as I said earlier, you can get it on Binance. If you are still in doubt, you can go to the market and also see where you can get this coin to buy. You can get it on Binance. You can see it's trading against USDT. You can also get it on Binance trading against ETH. Okay. And many more. You can get it on Bybit too. The SC coin is there on Bybit, and many more. Okay, this shows you a sign that this coin is going to be like a very good one. Because of what? Because it's in most of those most popular exchanges: the Gate.io, the Maersk, the Bybit, the Upbit, the Binance. All are trading this coin. This coin are all traded on those very popular exchanges. Okay, so you don't have much doubt about it. All you just need to do is to dive in, trade your coin, make your profit, and move on. So the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to like Binance, Bybit. Sorry, we're going to use Bybit. So if you come to Bybit, this is what you will do. Okay, you come to Bybit and come to this search bar button over here and write SC. If you write SC, it's going to bring them out for you in display. So I'm going to click on it. You can see, clicking on it now, you see that yes, this coin actually is waking up. Okay, the coin is what is actually waking up. So I'm not going to actually buy much, but let me see. If you're still doubting, you can click on the Bollinger Band to see what it will be in the nearest time. So you can also still roll back to see what the coin will be and how it has been doing. Okay. So all you just need to do is to just come to this place and buy with the total capital that you have, being it small or little. Okay, but one thing you must understand is that you must not invest what you cannot afford to lose. Okay, risk little, and before you dive into this trade, make sure you look at the time I'm taking this video. And this doesn't mean that I'm advising you to buy this coin. No, this is not an advice for you. I'm just like showing you a procedure you can follow and get the right coin to buy and make a profit for yourself. Okay, so this is not like a financial advice or any other thing. This is purely education. Okay, so you can come to this place and maybe you turn this on all to buy this coin, and also wait when it's take a profit, you take out immediately. Okay, so you can see now this SC and how it has been doing for the past, and how it has been doing for the past 24 hours. This one is only showing 15 hours. Let me look at it one day where it was. Wow, it one day was nice, and it will still keep doing well. But one thing you must understand is that the moment you see profit, take it and wait for another opportunity. Okay, do not say, okay, I'm leaving this coin, it will blow, it will this. No, you just got to trade it within the little minutes and take your profit. When it comes down, you join again and also take profit when there is profit. Okay, so this is simply how it works and simply how you can make your profit from this. So just make your research and also dive into it. It must, as I said earlier, it must not be this very coin. Okay, but you can just go to the coin market cap, look at those coins with a low market cap, and try to dive into it, buy it low and sell high. Okay, so this will like brings me to the end of this very class. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it immediately and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be with you in my next video. Bye.